Hey guys, in this video I will be showing how to prepare a tent at home. So I'm on my terrace and here you can see that I have prepared a good tent out of the things which you will be able to probably find in your home, and these are quite common things which you can find in your home, and of course if you want you can buy these things. Okay, so let's proceed. So you can see that I have used bricks for the boundary with the small pots. So there's one brick and one pot in front of it, and I have prepared the whole boundary with the help of this. You can see. And here I have a cardboard which is used for flooring outside of the tent. There are many cardboards out here, so there is less heat. You'll find there is less heat inside the tent. There is also a pot, big pot and a small pot. One of the small pots which you can find, which are used for the boundaries. So these are for decoration purpose, you can see. So there is also a cable. You can see that the extension is going inside of the tent for electricity, for supplying electricity. So there is a flooring of the cardboard everywhere. You can see there is a small table and a chair for having a good look of the view in the front. So you can sit in the evening and the morning, have breakfast and tea, looking at the good views. And so let's see above the tent. I have made it above the tent. You can see that I have used tarp above the tent. So there is a layer of cement roofing sheet. I have used cement roofing sheet along with cardboard cartons, along with another cement roofing sheet here. So there are totally 3 cement roofing sheet, one in the left side, another on the right side, 2 on the left side, 1 on the right side, and then I have used tarp here for covering. Then inside between the cement roofing sheet you can find there are carton boxes which are flattened and labeled for further connecting the 3 cement roofing sheets, and the tarp which is above, and there I have placed a tarp above it, and many bricks for protecting it from wind so it does not get flowed by the wind. And I have used small sticks for supporting with bricks and one rod as well. And I have also used the twinkling lights for decoration purposes. Okay, so you can find many. I have also used sacks which are used for storing grains, and small tarps as well for covering the areas which are not covered with the help of the full tarp. So here you can find for protecting it from the sideways, you can see that I have used iron sheet here, and one sack as well. I have used 3 sacks for storing grains. Just cut them off on the sideways and stitch them, and used it for covering on the sideways. You can see that it is supported by the bricks above and it is supported by the bricks below. So on the sideways there will be no light and no heat can enter. Now from here I have used bubble wrap. You can see bubble wrap for covering. It is also provided support with the help of bricks, and this bubble wrap is used for covering the sideways as well. So the full side is covered with the help of these plastic bags which is used for storing grains. To stitch them off and bubble wrap. So pretty much we are done with the outside part. And see, I have used a cement roofing sheet as well. It's only one layer for covering the entrance, so the dust and the dust doesn't go inside. You can see. So let's go inside of the tent. I'll just remove the cement, one layer of the cement roofing sheet for going inside. So let's go inside the tent. It feels quite cool comparing to the heat outside of the tent. Let's cover it again with the cement roofing sheet, one layer of the cement roofing sheet. So now we are inside the tent. I've covered the cement roofing sheet so no dust is gone, and the cool breeze will flow through the bubble wrap, which is not attached on the below end. So you can see here that on the back side of the iron sheet I have used a wooden log which is supported by a layer of bricks for supporting, you see, and these are the cement roofing sheet. There are two layers here, you see. So beneath the tarp, you can see, I have shown you above, there is a tarp, so which is supported by bricks. So beneath the tarp you can see that I have two cement roofing sheets here on the left side. So here, yeah, cement roofing sheet you can see. And I have used two. Here also you can see that I have a cement roofing sheet and it's broken one, so probably you can find this kind of stuff at home. So between these cement roofing sheet you can see that I have used carton boxes made out of cardboard, just flattened them and placed them, and used two wooden logs here for supporting them. Two wooden logs here, you can see that we have used these two wooden logs for supporting them, and there is also an iron rod which is support in case if anything happens and the wooden log support here just doesn't work. So I have used an iron rod here as well. So here you can see, and one small stick as well for supporting the carton boxes above, you see. So wooden logs and carton boxes, just flatten them, are placed beneath the top, and the two cement roofing sheets, so it's quite cool inside. And from here, you see, here I have used one you'll find this inside fridge. If once you disassemble a fridge, the inside stuff, so inside, if you disassemble a fridge, inside stuff you find a full type of small thermocol, you can say, but it's not thermocol, it's a cooling stuff which you'll find inside the fridge. So just take out that stuff. So it's big like a cupboard. So I have used this stuff as a cupboard here, you see. And yeah, one thing more, and I used three sticks here for supporting the top. So on the front side you can see that I don't have any cement roofing sheet or the cardboard box, so I have used two sticks to support them, so they will support with the help of the cement roofing sheet. Okay, so here we are on this is a type of cupboard which I have prepared for keeping things, which is made out of the fridge, you see. Once you disassemble it, so you can see that I have placed a carton box. I just cut the carton box and just placed for getting the door ready for the cupboard. So you can see that you can place all the stuff inside it like this. I just opened the door, which is made of the cardboard carton box, and this tool bag, survival tool bag, you can put here, and all the stuffs here you can put it. See, I have put a mosquito repellent and other stuff with the along with the survival tool bag. And see the cupboard, that's a good cupboard. You can find this kind of stuff or some other kind of stuff at your home. Here also I have prepared a shelf, you can see, with the help of bricks. I have prepared a shelf with the help of bricks, and above the shelf I have just a bag. And I have used bricks here, you see, for supporting the top on the front side. The extension wire comes inside, and there is multi-plugged extension. I have a small fan here, so there is a good, so we have electricity supply inside, and there is a small camping fan here for cooling down. The twinkling lights also, we can supply electricity with the help of the extension. And you see here I have for inside flooring I have used the cardboard carton boxes, which are cut and flattened and put beneath the bed, and in front of it you see beneath the bed also I do have the carton boxes beneath the bed. All the carton boxes flattened, and there is a sack here for keeping the room cool. And in the end you can see that I have used here bubble wraps here for flooring as well. You can find the stuff in your home. I have a coil and water and newspaper and a bubble wrap and a Loltain for night, and a small box for you to keep small things. Okay, so on the right hand side also I have a bubble wrap plastic for providing the side for keeping on the side, you see, and it's quite good enough, as you see that all the things are quite well. We can keep all the things quite well inside the tent. Just giving you a look of how it looks. Let's get outside, and I'll give you a look from the outside while entering. It's quite good. You see, it's cool here, and the heat outside. So that's all. In this video I showed you how to prepare a tent at home, and I have prepared it on the terrace, and thanks for watching. Hey there, so this is how our tent looks at night. As you can see that the rice twinkling light looks good on the top, and the Loltain is lit on the table, and we have some modifications here, a decorative light inside the tent, so you can see it looks good at night. There's quite good lighting here, and I did not manage to prepare a fire pit, but of course you can. So that's it for this video. I think you'll like my video, and thanks for watching.